Today, we're diving into Magento Content Staging. Think of it as your digital planner, allowing you to schedule updates, automate changes, and keep your online store fresh, all from a single dashboard. Stick around to learn more. Content staging is a feature exclusive to Magento Commerce. This powerful tool allows you to schedule and manage campaigns with ease. The most significant advantage of Magento Content Staging is that it allows updates to your site from the back-end panel. You can edit your website before deployment, ensuring smooth business operations. Adobe Commerce appreciates the convenience provided by Magento Content Staging. It enables your team to schedule multiple updates, reducing errors drastically and easily. What do these updates target? Well, you get to decide. Set up changes within a campaign, at your chosen date and time, or even based on specific store views. Content staging stretches across single or multiple entities, such as products, catalog, cart price rules, CMS blocks, pages, widgets, etc. The Content Staging dashboard shows all planned site changes. Here, you can also share previews, enhancing your team's insight into future updates. The workflow step involves creating baseline content and campaigns. Once active campaigns end, Magento reverts to the baseline content. There are many benefits of the Magento Content Staging feature. It speeds up the content setup process and gives you a sneak preview of your updates pre-launch. You can also schedule sales events, target different customer groups with different content, and efficiently fix any issues from the dashboard. Lastly, Magento Content Staging encourages constant engagement through frequently updated content. That wraps up our tutorial on Magento Content Staging. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for more tips, tricks, and tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.